a street that remembers being a path. Carrer de la Antiga Senda den. Senent, the old path of Senent. A name like a fossil, an imprint of the time when there was no asphalt here, only a dirt track, belonging to a man called Senent. Now it's a street in the shadow of tower blocks by the old Turia, riverbed. But the name holds on. Names always hold on longer than asphalt. We walk it, then we turn and step into 3 different centuries in a single block. The Socarrats, an unremarkable 1970s residential block, 5 stories, nothing special, except for the 5 Socarrats embedded in its façade. Socarrats are handcrafted, terracotta tiles coated in white glaze and painted in reddish brown. They were made in Paterna and Manises between the 14th and 16th centuries, mostly by Morisco artisans. They line the ceilings of palaces, churches, and wealthy homes. Medieval luxury, a painted ceiling instead of carved wood, cheaper, more beautiful. Deeply Valencian. And here, 5 of them on a 1970s apartment block. How did they get there? No one really knows. An architect may salvage them from a demolition, or perhaps a gesture of respect. Casa del Mech, a turn and you're facing Palacete Burgos, known locally as Casa del Medque, the doctor's house. 1919, Maria Burgos Romero, widow of a prosperous timber merchant, commissions herself a mansion. The plans are drawn by Ricardo Cerda Cardona, then reworked by Javier Goerlich Leo, the same Goerlich who would go on to build half of Valencia and whose Tordata was demolished in the 1980s. Goerlich adds a mezzanine, second floor ornamentation, 1922 to 1924, 620 square meters. Romantic historicism. What you're looking at, a hexagonal mirador tower, crowned with a glazed tile, spire, gold and ivory, fish scale pattern. A second tower, square, green, tile roof, 4 dragon gargoyles. At the corners, wooden mirador galleries on the facade, small rooms with benches along the walls, built for sitting and watching the street go by. Nola mosaic floors, the famous Valencian ceramic tiles, stained glass, arched windows, wrought iron perimeter fence. Why the doctor's house? Maria Burgos died childless. The house passed to her sister, then to a niece who married Dr. Isidoro Alvarez Soto, then to their daughter whose husband Jose Maria Aragon Caro was a surgeon. At the Plaza de Toros bull ring, 2 doctors in a row. The neighborhood remembered. In 2021, the mansion underwent its 3rd restoration. The Color in Architecture Research Group from the Polytechnic University of Valencia restored the facade's original colors. People live here again now. Behind the curtains, lights are on. 3 eras in a single block. 5 medieval plaques on a 1970s facade, a 1924 romantic mansion built for a timber merchant's widow, and a path long gone, except for its name.